Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Nigerian fried rice. So this video is actually unplanned. I wanted to eat fried rice and I said, oh well, let me make a video for my viewers so that they can make this rice this festive season. So I'm going to start off with my oil, allow that to heat up for a bit. Then I go in with my washed rice. I like to fry that for some minutes. Then I also add some bay leaves. A friend taught me that and I've been doing that ever since. Then I go in with my curry powder, but today I found out that I did not have extra curry powder. That's crazy, but you know, this kind of things happen. But the beauty of this dish is that you don't really need that much curry powder. That's not what, it's not curry rice, it's fried rice for a reason. Curry is extra seasoned, so that did not bother me that much. So I proceeded with my cooking. I went in with my chicken stock. This is the water from the chicken I had made the day before. So I did not have time to defrost that. I just threw it in because I wanted to leave this kitchen as soon as possible. I added some pepper and then some chicken bouillon powder. Just add this as the spirit leads, but don't forget that you already have some in the chicken broth, so you want to be mindful of that. And then I proceeded to add my other seasonings like my garlic powder, my paprika, some ginger powder, some thyme. And then I like to add this at the beginning, but when you're adding this, don't forget, depending on how seasoned your chicken water was, you just have to be mindful of that so that you don't over season your rice as well. And then when you add water to your rice, don't put too much water because we want this rice to be cooked halfway. So you should be like almost done but not fully done. I'm going to proceed to the veggies now because I want to make sure that they get ready about the same time. I start by frying my onions. I put some cooked shrimp in it, add some seasoning. I like to season in layers. So the reason I say the rice should not be fully cooked, because even when you turn off the rice, even when you turn the fire off, the rice is still going to be steaming. So fried rice doesn't like to be mushy. It doesn't like too much water. It doesn't like any extra going on. If not, it will be soggy, and soggy fried rice, I'm telling you, is horrible. So bear that in mind. So I go back to the pot that I'm steaming my veggies with, and then I add my carrot first. I add the carrot first because it's very crunchy, so depending on how you like your carrots, I like to go in with that first before I add my other veggies. And also don't forget to season in layers. I add some salt. I added some seasoning cube, just a little bit because you seasoned your rice. But I also like to season my veggies because it really does something to your rice. Then I go in with my bell peppers. I have some green, red, and yellow bell peppers in here. I add some chicken bouillon powder again because I like to season in layers and I like to build my flavors. You taste it and then you know what to add and what not to add. So because I want it to be more spicy, I added some black pepper as well in there. So taste and adjust as you go. When that is ready, and then I transfer it to my rice. Now the rice is halfway done already. I transfer it to the rice, and then I am going to reduce the light on the stove where I put the rice, if that makes sense to you. I hope it does. So I'm going to add my veggies little by little while the rice is still steaming. I bought some sweet corn the other day. I actually almost forgot. Thank God I remembered. So I'm going to put that in as well. But when I add the veggies, I am going to be mixing so that it can get everywhere, and then I won't have to stress so much. So that's it. That is basically a very, very, very simple recipe that I just gave you. If you like sweet corn, you can feel free to add your sweet corn as well, whatever it is that you like. If you like some chicken, you like some liver, whatever it is that you like, feel free to add into your fried rice. This is Nigerian fried rice, and what is known for as well is the veggies in it. So we are done with the fried rice. It tastes absolutely amazing, I promise you. If you try to cook your rice this way, you will love it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like. See you next time.